Hi and welcome to the pattern cut training task. The goal of this task is to cut out a circle from the top layer of the gauze without applying excessive force. It's also a good exercise for practicing traction with your non-dominant hand. Begin from the bottom right of the circle and proceed clockwise. Once you're halfway done, we go anti-clockwise. Finally, we complete the task by cutting the last remaining part in the top left corner. That's how you successfully complete the pattern cut training task. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.